So I purchased this Miracle leave-in product, and it's called It's a 10. This stuff is amazing, you guys. It's a little bit expensive. I say for a leave-in conditioner is very expensive, but it's worth every penny that you pay for. Why do I say it's worth it? Because this item will make your hair feel soft. Everybody that knows me knows that I love wearing extensions, and yes, my hair is fake. I don't have full beautiful hair, so that's that. And because I wear extensions, this baby is really good for your hair extensions. You just, after you wash your hair, you apply this, spray it out, and then before you curl your hair as well, you add this to your hair, and this will make your curls look very soft and bouncy. I don't know why, but it has something inside that it's great. It says it repairs, dries, damaged hair, adds shines, detangles, control freezes, seals and protects hair, prevents split ends, stops hair from breaking, creates silkiness, which is so true, enhance natural body, flat iron spray, and thermal protection, which all this is so true. So I would so buy a full size of this. This is the smallest size. They have like a big one right here. So that's that. That's okay.